Before I close, I wanted to mention that part of my work is regarding the alchemical symbols and their importance, because I believe they were guarding secrets of the way matter moves. We see strange shapes and spirals in them. All the sigils, all the alchemical symbols of old, whether arcane understanding of the way the ancients saw math and the movement of matter, it weaves a tapestry for decoding some of these symbols, where we get to see how, according to certain phase angle dynamics, we can see what they believed to be the pattern of building matter, or matter building itself. And by knowing these patterns, these angles, knowing the phases, knowing the correspondences, it was given to us by Thoth to understand how to interface with matter on an unimaginable level, how to seize hold of the mechanics of energy and to rewrite them, how to, manifest our will, how to seize energy, how to freeze it, how to neutralize it, how to undo it. The creation cycle begins with Aries, and you'll notice, in the story of Chrysalis, how, Jason and the golden fleece, the winged ram Chrysalis, was born of Neptune, and he was sacrificed to Neptune. Now, there are many hidden meanings within that story, because they're not just telling you about the natural cycle of time, but there's something hidden in there that's teaching us, and knowing the mechanics of the wheel of the zodiac, we can see how it's possible to either neutralize time or to undo matter, how to deconstruct it by reversing the wheel, de-escalating the tiers of fire, de-escalating the structures of matter, de-escalating it down to, by division, its single particles, individual particles. Because that's what Aries is. Aries is the particle. Aries is the potential. Aries is where it springs from. There's a condition of the releasing of heat and the undoing of spatial planes by way of frequency that will neutralize matter. I intend to theorize on that and postulate to death and think about it and research it and look into it and ask people smarter than me. But this wheel is special because it holds the keys to so many mysteries, especially regarding the energetic makeup of matter. You look at the symbols, the alchemical symbols for earth, air, fire, and water. There's something there that's showing us, according to phase waves and fluid dynamics, how molecules, I believe, are building themselves. You look closely at the sigils, they're instructions. They're not arbitrary. These are arcane symbols. Some of the greatest minds who knew some of the oldest and deepest mysteries deliberately recorded their knowledge into these symbols. They're arcane for a reason, because they involve a higher and more vast understanding of the interconnectedness of things. It's a mystery that begs our attention.